Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 15.2 question number 5. Give an oblique sketch and an isometric sketch for each of the following. A cuboid of dimension 5 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. Is your sketch unique? A cube with an edge 4 cm long. An isometric sheet is attached at the end of the book. You could try to make on it some cube or cuboids of dimension specified by your friend. Let us first draw the isometric sketch of this cube, that is 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm, right? Let us take 5 cm, right? 5 cm is 5 unit. Here you will take 5 cm means 5 unit. Let us take this one. This is the isometric sketch and this is the oblique sketch, right? Let us take the oblique sketch first, that is 3 cm. Let us take 3 cm, that is 1, 2 and 3, right? And height is 5 cm, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? You also take height as 5 cm, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this is 3 cm. Let us take 3, that is 1, 2 and 3, right? Now we'll 2 cm in this direction, that is 1 and 1, 2, right? Again we will take this one. Let us take 2 cm again here, 1 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's join this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Next you draw these 3 cm again, 1, 2 and 3, right? And you draw this one, right? That means here we are getting, this is 3 cm, this is 3 cm, this is 3 cm, right? And this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm, right? And this is 2 cm, 2 cm. This is the oblique sketch. Number A, this is oblique sketch. Oblique sketch. Right? Now we'll draw isometric sketch. Right? First you draw 1, 2, 3. This is height is 5. Let us take height as 5. Height as 5. Let us take height as 5. That is, from here we are taking 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And in this direction it is 1, 2, 3. It is 3, 1, 2 and 3, right? And the height is 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And this one is 2, 1 and 1, 2, right? This is again, it is 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? I will draw this one, that is 1, 1, 2 and 3. We join this one, 1, 1 and 1, 2. You draw this one, draw this one, this is 3 actually. Let us take another point here. Let us take another point here, right? This is 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 unit. This is 1, 1, 2. If we take another unit, 3. Another unit, that is this point is there, 3. Or you can take a point here. This point is here again. Once one point is here. right? And you take 2, 1. Let us take this is 1 and this is 2, right? This is sketch, right? Therefore we are getting this sketch, that is, this is how many unit? 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 unit, right? This is 2 unit, this is 2 unit, right? And this is 3 unit, 1 2 3. This is 3 unit. This is also 5 unit, this is 3 unit, this is 2 unit, this is 3 unit, this is 2 unit, right? In this way you can draw both an oblique sketch and an isometric sketch, and this one is isometric sketch. This is an isometric sketch, that is isometric isometric sketch, right? I will solve question number B. Question number B is a cube with edge of 4 cm long. Let us now draw the cube, right? Question number B. Question number B, this one, a cube with an edge of 4 cm long, right? 4 cm long. Let us write that. Take 4 cm from here, that is 1 2 3 and 4. Let us change the color so that you can identify. This is 1 2 3 and 4, right? We have taken 4 cm. Height is also 4, that is 1 2 3. Height is also 4. Let us take 4 here again. That is 1 2 3 and this is 4. This is 1 2 3 and 4. Also 4, 1 2 3 and 4, right? And in this direction, this is also 4 centimeter. You also take 4, 1 2, right? This is the oblique sketch. Take 4, that is 1 2 3 4, right? Here also you take 1 2. Here you get 1 2 3 and 4, right? In this way you can draw this. That means this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, right? And this is also 4 centimeter. Length, breadth and height all are 4 centimeter. That is, it is question number B, it is oblique sketch. Oblique sketch. This is the oblique sketch. I will draw this one, that is isometric sketch, right? Let us draw. First we will take the height 4. First you will take the height 4, that is, from here taking 1 2 3 and 4, right? And in this direction you will take 4, that is 1 2 3 and 4, right? And in this direction you take 4, that is 1 2 3 and 4, right? Now draw in this direction 4, that is 1 2 3 and 4, right? Now draw this direction 4, that is 1 2 3 and 4. Here also 4, that is 1 2 3 and 4. Here also 4, that is 1 2 3 and 4, right? And in this direction we take 4. Here we got all 1 only. Let us increase this one, 1 2. Let us take another other point also. Let us take this one, that is 1 1 2 and another point is here 2 3, the last point is here 4. Here also take 1 2, this is third point, right? If you increase this one, you will get this one, right? Now here you see 4 point. You will take 4 points again here also. That is, here you take 1, with blue color you take, that is 1 2, this is third point, and 4. This is also 1 2 3 and 4, right? This is the isometric sketch. That is question number B is, this is isometric sketch. Isometric sketch. This is the isometric sketch, right? The question was that an isometric sketch is attached at the, and the question is which of the following the 4 centimeter. An isometric sketch is attached at the end of the book. You could code the cubes or keywords of dimensions by your friend. And the question, give an oblique sketch and isometric sketch for each of the following. Is your sketch unique? Yes, in isometric form the sketch is unique, but in oblique sketch it is not unique, right? But in isometric sketch it is better than that of oblique sketch, right? Because here you see this is we have taken 4 centimeter, this one, but this is not exactly 4 centimeter. But if we taken this 4 unit, 1 2 3 4, it is exactly 4 unit. This is also exactly 4 unit. That means in isometric sketch we get better figure than in oblique sketch. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.